Hey guys, I'm Felix and welcome to my channel Fiscal Voyage. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the different dividend income, passive income that I received for the month of June. And I do this type of video because I want to motivate you guys to see the potential of dividend growth investing where passive income could grow so much to a point where it covers your living expenses. So last month I made over 2 grand coming from both dividend investing as well as my rental income. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do videos in stock analysis of different companies that you guys recommend, and as well as these monthly income reports. Alright, so at my website, I wrote a post on the passive income for June 2020, and as you can see, my target is 2 grand a month in passive income. Every single month. Basically, that's my my break-even point. Basically, it's slightly a little lower, it's like 1,800, but I think $200 extra gives me some breathing room extra a month. But for June 2020, I did pretty well. For my taxable account, which is with the TD Ameritrade, I made $1,268.68 in dividends, and in my retirement account with Vanguard, some with index fund as well as individual stocks, I made $134.79, and my rental income came in at $750. Again, this rental income is basically my condo unit is a 2-2, but I'm renting the separate room and bathroom to a friend of mine. So he's paying me $750 a month to rent out the bedroom and the bathroom. So I'm basically house hacking. And in total, for the month of June, I received $2,153.47, which is great. I loved it. That was a great month, and I'm super happy about that. I actually talk about it in my in the income report. So I'm super excited that I was able to receive over 2 grand for the month of June. Of course, March, June, September, and December tends to be the biggest month because that's where most companies pay out their dividends. But I'm expected to continue getting close to 2,000 every month because I'm making almost 23 grand a year in passive income. So I'm very happy with that. So my income is continuing to grow. So if we look at the my passive income spreadsheet here, you can see some of the companies that in June that paid out for me. ABC, I only have 1 share of this. I want to get more shares of this, but don't have the money to buy shares. This is a very attractive company I like, but I want to get more shares of that. ADM, Aflac, Broadcom, Bank of America, I have a few shares of that. BP, Cummins, Chevron, Discovery, Emirates, Enbridge. I also have some other companies, Gilead, Haynes, IBM. So a lot of the companies here, as you can see, pay out most of the dividends in the end of the quarter, June, for example. And as you can see here, in total for the month of June, I had $1,268.64, which was 51% higher than 2019 June of $835.79. So I'm very happy with the growth rate there. And of course, this is because I did a lot of purchasing in the March and April time frame. So I was fortunate to have a lot of capital available for me to purchase a lot of shares at that lows of March and April. So I'm happy about that transaction. So as you can see, the first time I received money in June was in 2014. I had $160.82. So as you can see the progression of the growth. And overall so far, I've made 31 grand in dividends over the past 7 years or so. So I'm very happy with that. And the best part is that I'm expected to make over 14 grand this year in dividends. So in 2 years, I'll be able to make almost the total amount. So I'm very happy with that. So it starts off slow, guys, but it grows if you continue with the purchasing and reinvesting and purchasing more and reinvesting the dividends and new capital. So it's very important to do that too, so you have a nice income. And so if we look at my rental, July again $750 for the month. I actually increased the payment in January of this year by $50. Before he was paying $700 a month, so I increased it by $50 because it's been 3 years with the same price as $700, as you can see. And December is because at $600 is because I give him a discount of $100 as my Christmas gift to him. So that to help him out with Christmas expenses. People tend to buy a lot of things in Christmas time, so it's my gift to him. I discount $100. So this December it will be $650 instead of $600. So I'm gonna do the same thing this December because he's been great. And as you can see, I've made almost 30 grand. This basically paid for my repair costs and my down payment. So I already received the money back, and so now basically he paid for my down payment and my repair for the condo, and now I'm just pocketing profit now. And in my Roth IRA, here's some of the holdings I have for June. That's not that much, but it did see a nice growth of 27% versus 2019 of $106. Some of the companies, this is a index fund that specializes in dividend growth, so that's something I don't put any money into my Roth account because I'm trying to retire early, so this is not beneficial. But I did do this during the beginning time when I first started investing. I was reading Roth IRA and create that, so that's why I have money here. And I've done some rollover to traditional IRAs also included in this for when I change companies. But I had a nice growth, and from that time period so far I received almost 17 grand in income from the retirement account. I also have a 401k which is not included here, but it will be soon. But total almost 17 grand in total income for the retirement account. And as you can see in the chart, last month in dividends, this is just the taxable account. It doesn't include the rental income or the Roth IRA, but my taxable account. So you can see it's a nice progression slowly. It started off at 160, 229, doubled up, only almost $30 different in the whole year. And then you can see, boom, $200 different, and then another 200, and then progression. And then the next year is going to be even higher. So this is the beauty of dividend growth investing. So this is why it's so important to stick to it. As you can see, I've been investing 7 years so far, and I've been doing pretty well, and I'm happy with the performance and the income that's generating. I'm basically able to retire now if I wanted to, but I'm waiting for my girlfriend to finish with her credit card debt before we start traveling Southeast Asia for a year or two. But that's the plan. But I'll talk more about that plan in a future video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you could stay tuned for those videos. But again, this is the income for the month of June. I'm super excited. For the month of July, I'm not gonna make over a grand. It's gonna probably be a little over $800, but it's still more than the 2019's total, so that's positive there. And so yeah. So there you have it. Month of June was pretty good. I'm very happy with the final result for the month. This month of July, I'm not expected to make as much, but it's going to be over $1,500, so I'm looking forward to that. And of course, that money is getting back and reinvested so that the following year it has a better month and higher income. So I'm very excited for that. So this is the beauty of dividend growth investing, because you receive money from your investments and then you reinvest it for more money in the future. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, as well as the stock analysis where I provide fair value prices and recommendation to determine if the company is a buy, hold, or sell at current prices. So I'll see you guys in the next video.